security checkpoint at the airport plaza. We are gating Mr. Andrew S.P. to proceed immediately to the security checkpoint at the airport plaza.
Smoking is forbidden on board the aircraft, and that includes electronic cigarettes as well. If there is a failure in the air supply, your oxygen mask will drop down automatically in front of you. Pull the mask towards you, and don't worry, the oxygen will start to flow. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, and make sure it is well adjusted before helping others. If we must evacuate, there are 6 emergency exits on this airplane marked with a green exit sign above them, in the front, in the center, and at the back. To find an exit, just follow the light strips on the floor. Take a look around to find the nearest exit, and let us just remind you that it might be behind you. During evacuation, leave all personal belongings on board. Your life jacket is located under your seat. Only when instructed by the cabin crew, remove it from its container and place the jacket over your head. Buckle the strap and tighten right around your waist. Once off the plane, pull the handle and your vest will inflate. Another way of inflating it is by blowing into the tube. You can continue to use your portable electronic devices if they have a flight mode and you switch it on now, or just turn them off while on board. For additional information about electronic device usage and stowage, check the Baltic Outlook magazine. Please make sure all carry-on items are placed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Tray tables and seats are in their upright positions, your armrests are down, your window blinds are open, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. For any additional safety information, you can check out the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please always pay attention to signs in the aircraft and the crew, who's there to make your flight safe and comfortable. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight with Air Baltic.
Während wir uns auf den Start vorbereiten, möchten wir Sie mit den Sicherheitsbestimmungen an Bord